This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Chambers. Flexible living spaces. Hardwood floors. 2-inch blinds. Great room with built-ins. Formal dining room. Breakfast area or office/study area. 2 primary bedrooms with private baths. Guest bath down. Laundry area up. Galley kitchen. Private patio area. Storage room. 2 designated parking spots. Front exterior landscape maintenance and trash service included. 12-month lease. Security deposit required equal to 1 month's rent. Credit report and rental application approval required. No smoking. No Pets Plz. For more information, review the details below or contact Chambers.